Hello students, welcome to Ninja Education. Today we are going to talk about something that we all love. And what is it? It is food. We all love eating, right? We all have different kinds of favorite dishes. Like someone likes paneer curry, then someone likes kaju curry, then someone likes masala dosa. So we all have different kinds of favorite dishes. But have you ever thought about that? What all materials are being used to make them? What all our ingredients are being used to make them? We will going to talk about it in this lesson. This is class 6th first chapter, food and its sources, and we are going to talk about food today. So please, before we start, like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So let's start discussing with why food is important. Why food important? खाने का महत्व क्या है? Why food is so important? Let's take an example. There are several benefits of eating food. So consider you must have a smartphone, mobile phone at your home. What happens if you use it for all the day? The battery of phone will discharge after time. So to use it again, what do? You charge the phone. So charging is like food for the phone. It gives energy to phone and then you can use the phone. Charging is just like food. We take food so our body can gain energy, and with that energy we can do work. Our body cannot produce energy itself, just like phone cannot charge itself. So our first benefit of eating food is energy. By eating food we get energy. Food helps to grow and development of our body. Food helps our body to grow and development. If we don't eat food properly, then our height will not increase, our weight will reduce, and several other problems we face if we do not eat properly. So food is important for growth and development of our body. Another benefit is food helps to repair worn out cells and broken tissues. Repairs. Food repairs worn out cells of our body and damaged tissues. If our skin is cut from somewhere or our body is made of millions of cells. That cells every day, every month body changes. So food helps to change damaged cells and it repairs damaged tissues. So food is important for that also. Another benefit of eating food is it helps to fight against disease and infections. Every day new viruses are coming, just like today's time this corona pandemic is troubling humans. So there are plenty of other diseases also. So food helps to fight against disease and infections. If we eat properly, if there are proper nutrients in our body, then our body will able to fight against disease and infections. So food is important for this also. So you can see that food is the most important thing in our life. So now our second question is, what is meal? Now we learnt about importance of food. Now let's understand what is meal. So the food which is eaten at a particular time of the day is known as meal. जो खाना हम दिन में particular time पे खाते हैं उससे meal कहते हैं. Normally we take 3 to 4 meals per day. The meal we take in the morning is known as breakfast. The meal we take in the morning, we call it breakfast. The meal we take in the afternoon is known as lunch. दोपहर में हम जो खाना खाते हैं उसे हम लंच कहते हैं. The food we eat, the meal we eat in the night is known as dinner. The meal we take in the night is known as dinner. Have you ever think that your favorite meal, your favorite dish, what it is made of, what all the ingredients are being used? So what does ingredient means? What is the meaning of ingredient? Let's learn. So now let's learn about what are ingredients. What is ingredients? The materials needed to prepare a particular dish are known as इंग्रेडिएंट्स। कोई एक पर्टिकुलर डिश बनाने में जो जो भी चीज़ें यूज़ होती है, जो जो मटेरियल्स हम यूज़ करते हैं, उसे हम इंग्रेडिएंट्स कहते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल टी। Most of the people drink tea every day. So what tea is made of? What all ingredients, what all materials are being used to make tea? So first is tea leaves, जिसे हम हिंदी में चाय पत्ती कहते हैं. Second is sugar. Third is milk. And many people use ginger also, many people use elaichi and all, so on depends on different taste. These three ingredients are basic to make tea. So tea leaves, sugar, milk are ingredients for tea. So these calls ingredients, this material is known as ingredients for making tea. Let's take another example, chapati. What all ingredients are needed to make chapati? What all materials is being used to make chapati? The first is wheat flour. Okay. Second is water. So using water and wheat flour, we can make chapati. So wheat flour and water are ingredients for chapati. Now new question arises that these all materials, these all ingredients are, where are they coming from? What is the source of ingredients? What do we do to get them? How we find them? So let's learn about it. So dear students, the ingredients that are present in food, that are being used to make in food, are obtained from food sources which are of two types. जो ingredients हम यूज करते हैं वो हमें food sources में से, जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स हम यूज़ करते हैं वो हमें फूड सोर्सेज से मिलते हैं, और वो फूड सोर्सेज के दो टाइप है. द टू टाइप्स ऑफ फूड सोर्सेज आर, वन इज प्लांट सोर्स एंड सेकेंड इज एनिमल सोर्स. एक हमें प्लांट से सोर्स मिलता है और दूसरा है एनिमल सोर्स. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल फॉर दैट. वी विल टेक टीज एग्जांपल अगेन. सो व्हाट ऑल आर इंग्रेडिएंट्स फॉर टी? टी लीव्स, सेकेंड इज मिल्क, and third was sugar. So these three are ingredients to make tea. Now where do we get tea leaves from? Tea leaves हमें कहाँ से मिलते हैं? तो tea leaves we get from tea plants. Okay, tea leaves we get from tea plants. So tea plant is plant source. Okay. Second is milk. Where do we get milk from? Milk कहाँ से मिलता है हमें? We get milk from animals who give milk, like cows, buffaloes, goat. So milk is animal source. Last is sugar. Where do we get sugar from? We get sugar from sugar canes. शुगर कैन को हिंदी में हम गन्ना कहते हैं. ठीक है. सो हमें शुगर गन्ने से मिलती है. सो टी प्लांट्स एंड शुगर कैन्स आर प्लांट सोर्सेज एंड मिल्क इज एनिमल सोर्सेज. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट प्लांट सोर्सेज इन डिटेल्स. सो प्लांट सोर्सेज वी गेट फ्रॉम प्लांट्स. प्लांट सोर्सेज हमें प्लांट से मिलते हैं. सो लेट्स लर्न अबाउट पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट फर्स्ट. Let's discuss in brief different parts of plant. So the part of plant which stays under the ground is known as root system, and rest of the part which stays out of the ground is known as shoot system. Most of the part of plant is made of stem. Stem bears different branches, and on different branches there are number of leaves. There are flowers, there are fruits, there are seeds. Seeds are present in fruits. So all these parts are of plants. We can consume different parts of different plants in our everyday life as vegetables. So what all the parts we are consuming daily as vegetables? Let's look some examples. So students, now let's see some examples of plants parts that we eat as vegetables. So first is roots. Carrots, turnip, which are some roots that we eat as vegetables. Then stems. Potato, ginger are some stems that we eat as vegetables. But there are two types of cells. First is tuber and second is bulb. Tuber means an underground food storing stem, and its example is potato. And bulbs are a short food storing stem with fleshy leaves, and bulbs examples are onion and garlic. So spinach, cabbage are some leaves that we eat as vegetables. Cauliflower, broccoli are some flowers that we eat as vegetables. Yes, cauliflower and broccoli are flowers. You must be thinking that they don't look like flower, but they are flowers that we eat as vegetables. In seeds, cereals, pulses and nuts are some seeds eaten as food. In cereals, there are three major cereals that we eat in our whole country. First is maize. Maize means corn. Maize means corn. Corn matlab makka. So maize, wheat means gehu, rice means chawal. These three cereals are most of we use. Pulses, kidney beans, soya beans, chickpeas are the most that we use. And nuts, almonds, walnuts, cashew nuts, that all though you know. So papaya, mango, pineapple, these are fruits that we eat every day. Tea, coffee, cocoa are beverages that we eat, that we drink. Tea we obtain from tea leaves, coffee we obtain from coffee beans, cocoa we obtain from cocoa beans. Spices like red chilies, turmeric, coriander, black pepper, cardamom, cinnamon are spices. Spices improve taste of the food. It adds flavors in the food. So spices are the most important part of food. Oil is the most essential part of our food. Oils are obtained from seeds. Seeds like mustard, groundnut, coconut, sunflowers. These seeds are processed to make oils. Nowadays, some seeds like rice and olives are also processed to make oils. In our household, in every day, we use different kinds of oil every day. These oils are obtained from crushing these seeds. Oil gives us so much energy. Sometimes more than 2 parts of plant gives us food. For example, mustard. Mustard leaves we use as vegetables, and mustard seeds we use to extract oil from it. So sometimes more than 2 parts are edible from plants. But what does mean edible? Edible means eatable. Anything that we can eat, we can consume is known as edible. So sometimes more than 2 parts of plants are edibles. So dear students, today we learned about importance of food, what all materials are being used to make food, what are the food sources, and we learned about plant sources in details. In our next video, we will learn about animal sources, different kinds of organisms and food chain. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.